Are you tired of trying different skincare products with no results? Do you feel like you're on a never-ending quest to find that one miracle product? Well, the search may be over. Today we're diving into the world of skincare to reveal the top 5 holy grail products that have proven to be game changers for many. First on our list is none other than the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. This gem is a fan favorite across the globe, and it's easy to see why. Its gentle formula is packed with ceramides and hyaluronic acid, which work together to hydrate and protect the skin's natural barrier. So, if you're looking for a cleanser that removes dirt and oil without stripping your skin of its essential moisture, this could be your new best friend. Next, we have the Ordinary Niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. This powerhouse serum is loved for its ability to minimize the appearance of pores, regulate sebum production, and improve overall skin texture. With consistent use, you can expect a noticeable difference in your skin's clarity and radiance. And the best part? It won't break the bank. Third on our list is the Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. This cult favorite product is a must-have for anyone struggling with acne or blackheads. The salicylic acid in the formula penetrates deep into the pores to exfoliate and unclog them. Plus, it also has anti-inflammatory properties which can help reduce redness and swelling. Fourth, we have the EltaMD UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 46. No skincare routine is complete without a good sunscreen, and this product is a standout. It not only protects your skin from harmful UV rays, but also contains niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and lactic acid, which help to hydrate, soothe, and brighten the skin. Finally, we have the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. This overnight mask is a lifesaver for anyone with dry or dehydrated skin. The formula is enriched with mineral water and ceramides that deeply hydrate and strengthen the skin's barrier while you sleep. Wake up with a refreshed and glowing complexion. So there you have it, the top 5 holy grail skincare products that could make a world of difference in your skincare journey. Remember, the key to great skin is consistency, so make sure to use these products regularly. And of course, everyone's skin is different, so what works for one person might not work for another. Always listen to your skin and adjust your routine as needed. Happy skincare!